If you're looking for the latest AI tool to revolutionize your to-do list management, then you need to check out Peaches AI To-Do List. In this review, I'll walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. Stick with me till the end because I'll reveal a few game-changing features you won't want to miss. First off, Peaches AI is designed to supercharge your productivity. It's not just a regular to-do list app. This software uses cutting-edge AI to help you manage your tasks more intelligently. What makes Peaches stand out is its ability to not only track tasks, but also to predict and suggest the best times for you to complete them based on your habits. Imagine an AI that learns your preferences and helps you prioritize your day with ease. This is exactly what Peaches delivers. You'll immediately notice how Peaches seamlessly integrates with your calendar. Instead of manually adding deadlines, Peaches pulls them directly from your schedule and helps you organize your tasks around meetings, appointments, and even leisure time. This eliminates that constant back and forth of adjusting your to-do list as your day evolves. Another thing that sets Peaches apart is its AI-powered task categorization. As soon as you input a task, the software categorizes it, saving you the time and headache of trying to figure out where it fits in your personal or professional life. This automation helps reduce cognitive load, allowing you to focus on getting things done rather than managing your lists. But what about collaboration? Peaches AI shines here as well. If you're working with a team, you can assign tasks, set reminders, and track progress in real time. The AI takes care of syncing everyone's workload, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. It's perfect for anyone who manages projects with a team, whether you're running a business or coordinating group tasks. Now, let's talk about the Peaches user interface. It's sleek and intuitive. Even if you've never used an AI-based productivity tool, you'll feel right at home navigating through the app. The user experience is polished, and everything you need is at your fingertips. And for those who prefer customization, Peaches allows you to tailor the layout and workflow to suit your personal needs. One of the more impressive features of Peaches AI is its ability to learn and adapt. The longer you use it, the better it gets at predicting your optimal work patterns. So, over time, it not only helps you complete tasks, but does so with increasing accuracy in timing and prioritization. That's a feature that most to-do list apps simply can't match. Lastly, if you're looking for a tool that's easy to integrate with your existing productivity tools, Peaches does it effortlessly. Whether it's Google Calendar, Trello, or other popular platforms, Peaches connects smoothly, ensuring you won't have to waste time setting up. This makes it an ideal solution for anyone with an established workflow. As a final note, you can try Peaches AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. It's a no-strings-attached way to see how this software can transform your productivity. After reviewing thousands of AI tools, Peaches stands out for its combination of intelligent automation and user-friendly design. If you're serious about enhancing your to-do list management, don't miss out on this tool. And be sure to check out my recommended AI software list in the description after trying out Peaches. Trust me, after thousands of AI reviews, these are the best of the best.